Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today we are exploring one of the biggest mysteries in science, that is, how did life begin? The answer lies in chemical evolution. This is the process where simple non-living chemicals gradually join together to form complex organic molecules and eventually leading to the very first living thing on earth. In the early 20th century, two scientists named as Alexander Oparin and J.B.S. Haldane worked independently to explain how life could have started from scratch on the early Earth. They provided stepwise theoretical explanation for this incredible journey. Let us understand their study in stepwise manner. In the first step, they studied early Earth's harsh conditions. To understand this, we have to look back at what Earth was like billion years ago. It was very different from today. In this image, we can see that there is no free oxygen in early Earth condition. That is, atmosphere is reducing atmosphere. And the ingredients present in this atmosphere was filled with methane, ammonia, hydrogen and water vapor. The energy present in this early Earth condition is because of UV radiation, constant lightning, and massive volcanic activity, which fueled the chemical reactions needed for life. In the second step, these simple gases and energy sources reacted in the oceans for the formation of organic monomers, the basic building blocks of life, like amino acids, sugars, and nitrogen bases. We can see this in this image. Scientists often call this nutrient rich ocean as a primordial soup. In the third step, these small building blocks began to link together in the process called polymerization, in which amino acids join together to become proteins. Sugars and bases combined to form nucleotides, which then linked up to create the blueprint of life, that is RNA and DNA. After formation of these complex molecules, it leads to the last step of chemical evolution where first protocell is formed. The final leap before true life appeared was the formation of probionts. These were non-living self-assembling systems that acted as a pre-cells. They are known as conservates and microspheres. These structures were the precursors to the very first biological cell, which leads for origin of first life. The primitive organism formed must have three characteristics. They might be anaerobic, that is, they can live without oxygen. They are heterotrophic in nature, that is, they cannot produce their own food and they are utilizing organic material as a energy source. And this primitive life is prokaryotic, that is, they are single-celled organism and lacks membrane-bound system. In conclusion, we can say that chemical evolution shows us that life didn't just appear out of nowhere. It was a slow, beautiful process of simple matter becoming more complex over millions of years, moving from atoms to molecules and finally to the first living organism.